can help your legs, your cellulites, guys. I'm 45 years old, and here you go, guys. Try to be, in the right track, guys. Yep. So I'm using the ramp, guys. But you can use like a ladder also. So you can just raise this up. And you can do skiing too. So for now, we're just gonna do ramp. And for my next video, I'm gonna show the other side of this bike. And I just find this in Amazon, guys. So, yep. So I've been exercising a while ago, but I'm just gonna show a short video, guys, for you with this kind of machine. I really like it. It's very light. You can move it everywhere, wherever you want. You can go outside, but since me, I cannot be in the sunlight. I'm allergy of sunlight, guys. And not supposed to be hot, but I have an electric fan here. And I'm doing it inside the house. It can help your body be shaped again. When you miss in your younger days with your flat belly, guys. So start now doing your exercise. So since I told you guys I've been doing exercise already, like probably 30 minutes since I'm doing it slowly. So yeah, guys, look at this in Amazon. So YOLEO, it's YOLEU, LEO, I mean YOLEO. Y as in yes, O as in Oscar, L as in love, E as in echo, O as in Oscar, guys. Okay, guys, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe MK Johnson's vlog, guys. God loves you guys. Bye.